Welcome back to Forgotten Cataloging Search Strategies. My name is Lisa and I will be walking you through some not so common searches you can use in workflows. This video will cover searching by item ID and using a call number browse search to look for XX auto-generated call numbers, change me call numbers, and how to scan similar nonfiction call numbers in your collection when assigning new call numbers. So let's get back into workflows and do some searching. Okay. Suppose you have an item in hand and you want to pull up the records it is on. You can search using the item ID, i.e. your library's barcode, to find the record. On the call number and item maintenance screen, click the binoculars with the yellow plus sign. Change the index field to item ID. Make sure the type field on the right has exact selected, and type in or scan your item ID in the search for field. Once a record is pulled up, if you go to the call number and item tab you searched for, the item ID that you searched for will already be selected, as indicated by this highlighted section here. This is super helpful for when you have a record like Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince and there's about 100 different libraries attached. It'll save you having to look around a little bit. The last searches I'll cover involve the call number. So the first one is how to search for XX auto-generated call numbers your library owns. XX call numbers might exist for ILL items received from libraries outside of RSA, for temporary items, or possibly because a cataloger forgot to change the XX auto-generated call number to what they assigned an item. For permanent items in your collection, though, you want to avoid having XX call numbers because it can confuse patrons, and they will not appear correctly on call number reports for your collection as well. So to do a search, open up a call number and item maintenance tab, and make sure you're on the screen for the binoculars with the yellow plus sign. Enter XX in the search for field, change the index to call number, select your library's code from the library dropdown. I'll use AG for RSA, and make sure that browse is selected as the type. And then hit search. So if you notice, we have two call numbers with XX in them. And if you hit modify down at the bottom, this will take you to the call number and item tab. And from there, you can go ahead and modify that call number section to change the XX to what the call number should be. So another call number search is to look for change me call numbers. Anytime you submit a cataloging request to RSA that requires we import a record or add you to a record, we change the call number from XX to change me to make searching for your new record easy. Make sure that you've selected the binoculars with the yellow plus sign. Enter change me in the search for field. You want to verify that the index is set to call number and that the type is on browse. And then select your library's code from the library field. And then hit search. If you have any change me's, they'll appear in the search results. Just a friendly reminder, if a change me call number is not edited after 30 days, that attachment of record will be removed from workflows as part of routine database maintenance. This final search is good to know for when you need inspiration for assigning a new call number to a nonfiction item. Suppose you have a new book about French cooking, but are blanking on where to put it in your collection. If you go out into your stacks and pull an item of similar content, you can do a call number search using that item you pulled to find a call number for the item you need one for. So after grabbing an item from your shelves, clear out your search, and then click on the binoculars with the yellow plus sign, change the index to call number, select your library's code from the library dropdown to narrow search results to your collection. And for this example, I'll use Peoria, Maine. Make sure that the type is on browse, and then enter the call number from the item you pulled into the search for field. The search results will display any items using that Dewey number in their call number, but also show results for call numbers with Dewey numbers close to what you've searched. You can scroll up or down to view titles of descending or increasing Dewey values in their call numbers to see where your item fits the best. Browse through these results to find similar works and narrow down which call number you want to assign your new item. It looks like at the library selected, French cookbooks are assigned a call number starting with 6415944. But I could look nearby and see what call number I could assign, let's say, a Polish cookbook, or perhaps a German cookbook. That concludes the Forgotten Cataloging Search Strategies Part 2 video. If you have any questions about these search strategies or have ideas for future videos, please contact the RSA Help Desk either by phone or email using the information provided on the screen. Thank you for viewing and happy searching!